Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess, and today's video is sponsored by BLY Hair Beauty, and they are a retailer on Amazon. So this is going to be an affordable wig review, okay? So in this video, I will be showing you the packaging as well as everything as far as styling. So if you want to see how I got this look as well as know my honest review on this unit, definitely stay tuned.
Shorty bad, slim, big, she might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the rich, she the plug, she finesse, she the one they call the.
Today's unit is from BLY Hair Wigs, and it stands for Beauty and Love and Youth, okay? So in this box, you're only going to get three things. You're going to get this BLY hair card, and this basically gives you your after sales service. You also get a wig cap, and lastly you get the unit itself, okay? So as you can see, this unit is a lace unit. It has a middle part in it, and that's what they consider a T part. This is the natural color, the natural state of the hair. It is straight. When you look at the inside of the lace, as you can see, it is full lace, but you will only get a little bit of room to play with on the perimeter, as well as that parting space, 4 combs and adjustable straps. So after just adjusting the straps, I'm just gonna put this on my head. I actually already wore this unit, so I don't really have anything to do, but yeah, I'm just gonna put it on my head. As you can see, I'm not gonna apply any glue because it is extremely snug because of how I adjusted the adjustable straps, okay? And this is what it looks like right now, but we are going to style it in a second. The first thing I like to do before styling my hair is use some Design Essentials Silk Essentials oil, okay? And that's going to help with the smell, if there's any tangling, any frizziness, as well as it acts as a heat protectant. Okay, and I'm just going to put that all over my hair, and then I'm going to brush the product through from the root all the way down to the ends of the hair. All right, and now we're going to get straight into the flat iron. I always just do this. I just section it in 2 sections, and I start from the back. Sometimes I use a comb, sometimes I use a brush. This time I'm using a brush, because the hair doesn't have like wild waves or curls in it, so you don't really have to use a comb because it's already straight, and I just want to make it look a little bit more bone straight. That's why I'm using the brush, okay? But as you can see, one pass through this hair and it is bone straight. So beautiful. And basically I'm just going to repeat this step over and over until I am finished my hair. So I'm gonna show you a few times how I do it, just so you can get a feel for it, and then we're going to speed the video up so we're not here all day, because I do have to do the review portion and let you know how I actually feel about the hair. And just in case you were wondering, this is not my first time wearing this hair. This is about my 3rd time wearing the hair. I like to get a feel for the hair before I give a review sometimes. So with this hair, I definitely wanted to get a feel for the hair because it is straight, and I want y'all to know how the hair actually acts when you wear it out. So this is the finished look. The hair is all flat ironed and straightened, and as you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. To me, this looks like it could be a frontal. You really wouldn't know that this is the only parting space that you have. Okay, so this unit actually comes with lace going across hair, but it is literally about half an inch, if it's even half an inch. So you could do a little bit of plucking, but it is so little as far as the amount of hair, like the amount of lace that you get to play with, that I would just recommend that you just leave it, okay? And when the wind blows, it'll look very natural if you have it glued down. This type of wig, I don't glue down. Like, I have my wigs that I glue down, and I have my wigs that I do not glue down. So this is the type of wig that I will not glue down because it literally just sits on my head. For me, once I put the adjustable straps on these units and it kind of feels like it's a little bit snug on the perimeter, I know that I don't have to go in and add any glue, any unnecessary glue and all of that to the edges, okay? So that's why you see me put glue on some of these, because they are like real full frontals. As to where this one, it is a frontal, sort of, kind of, because you do have lace all the way around. However, you can only really truly play around with this lace, and even with this you have limited parting, okay? But I love that they bring the parting all the way back here. That made this wig to me buyable. Okay, because normally I don't like wigs where you can't change up the parting space. However, the fact that this one goes all the way back, okay, I'm loving it. You can't tell this is that type of wig. It looks like it will be a full lace wig. So I absolutely love that. All right, so let's get into the specs of this hair. This is a lace front unit. It is known as a lace front because it is a lace front. However, again, you only get this parting space as well as a little bit of lace on the perimeter, but it is not enough for you to go plucking and doing baby hairs and doing that, all that extra stuff. That is not this type of wig. This is a ready to wear unit. You can literally style it really quick, put it on your head and go out the door. You don't have to worry about gluing it down. So that is definitely a positive attribute to this wig. It says that it is pre-plucked, but I really do not feel like it is pre-plucked. I feel like the hairline is full. I did not go in and do any plucking. However, I did do a little bit of baby hairs, just right here, just so that it could give more of a like natural look, because I feel like without that it wouldn't have looked too natural. So this unit has 180% density, and I think it is perfection. Okay, 180% density for me is everything. I do not like 100 or 130 or 150%, but this 180% density on this straight unit is perfection. It's not too much hair, it still is thick, and it gives off a very natural look. I absolutely love that. So usually when a company says a wig is a T part, it just really is another way of saying it is a middle part wig. Okay, so what I did notice, I wore this hair one time, okay? The first time that I wore it, I noticed, like, for me, it was kind of like difficult me styling it, especially with the limited parting space. But I was like, you know, maybe I'm just trying to do too much. So I took a step back, and that's why you saw it in this video where I was recording it. I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna flat iron it. I'm not gonna worry about all the things that I usually do, because I feel like with every unit, it doesn't take the same amount of like effort. So with this one, I flat ironed it, and that was it. I did not have to go in and pluck. I didn't have to go in and use the hot comb to keep the hair down. Like, literally, as you saw, all I did was flat iron the hair, and it was bone straight. Okay, so with that being said, I really do like this wig. One thing I did notice is that the hair was melting. Some of the hair was melting, so that is telling me that it does have some synthetic fibers. But I think for the price, that this is a good buy. It is a 26-inch unit, and I think that it is a true 26 and maybe a little longer, because straightened, it hits me all the way down to the bottom of my stomach. So it is quite a bit of hair on this hair, and I know y'all saw my basketball shorts. Don't judge me. Alright, this is what y'all came to see. All right, don't worry about why I got on red basketball shorts with this top. Don't worry about that.
But yeah, I absolutely love this hair. As you can see, it came out really, really pretty. I didn't bleach the knots. I just added my face powder, and this is the face powder that I used. Just in case you were wondering, I use the Sephora Micro Smooth Face Baked Compact, and this one is in the color Deep. This is what I use all over my face, and I have a separate one just for like my units to add to the lace, and as you can see, the color is on point. And the lace on this unit is thick, so with this unit for me is very beginner friendly. You do not have to do the most. If you're somebody who just wants a simple middle part wig straight, I would definitely go for this. If you're somebody who wants to curl this wig up, I would keep in mind that the fibers on this hair may melt. As you can see, I do have quite a bit of some pieces that shedded that were melting on the flat iron, okay, as you can see. So that means it does have synthetic fibers, okay. Just keep that in mind. But other than that, I would definitely say this is a good buy. This wig looks absolutely gorgeous on me, in my opinion. I am just like here for the bone straight look. I haven't had bone straight hair in a very long time, and as y'all know, it's one of my favorite hairstyles. It is literally my signature hairstyle, a middle part, straight middle part. So I'm actually enjoying this hair right now. I think it looks so beautiful, like it's giving me Pocahontas vibes, and I'm here for it. If I had to give this hair a rating, I would rate it a 7 out of 10. I'm just gonna take off a couple of points because it does have a few synthetic fibers. However, you will still be able to basically do everything with this hair: curl it, comb it, wash it, blow dry it, all of that good stuff. I would just say, you know, you're just gonna have a little bit of shedding with the hairs that are fibers. They are going to come out, okay? They're going to melt with the heat, all right? But other than that, I see nothing wrong with this unit. If you are looking for a very low maintenance unit and one that is beginner friendly, I would definitely recommend this one, okay? So everyone, definitely go check the bottom bar because I'm going to have all the information for this unit on Amazon. All the direct links, all of that good stuff will be in the bottom bar. Check out BLY Hair Beauty on Amazon. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more reviews like this, definitely let me know. I'm definitely going to keep coming with the videos. I am back, you guys. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for the support. Don't forget to continue to watch my videos. I have uploads every single week now. All right, we are back on track. All right, we are back on track. All right, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.